payment. If the moment check is received, we will book it as a received. Correct? So what that minute point is that checks collected. So that I will come back later. But for time being, so just imagine a check. It is issued. Checks issued means it is for payment. Correct? Just imagine this is the content. The moment the check was issued, automatically in a cash book, I will reduce the balance. Correct, Aditya? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the moment if I issue the check, I will reduce. But in a bank, it will not reduce. When the bank, it will reduce when the check has been gone and deposited to bank, and from that bank, the checks for collection, the checks for the collection, it has to be received to my bank. So then, if it is make the payment, then only in a bank balance it will be reduced. Correct. Now, as on 31st March, so it has not deposited to bank for the payment. So therefore, in a bank, the balance is shown higher. So therefore, in order to reach to my passbook level, what I supposed to do? I have to add. Where I have to add plus or minus everything, I have to do it in my starting book. That is in a cash book only. Correct? So therefore, here it is add. So therefore, it is plus. It is add. So therefore, it is symbol is already that opening balance is not reconciliation. It's a positive balance. So this 1000 I have to add. This 1000 I supposed to add plus 1000. Got it? I have to add plus 1000. Next, 3 checks were issued. 3 checks were issued for 500, 1000 and 1500 respectively. But the check for 1000 was presented on 3rd April. This is also again issued. Correct? So checks issued but presented after 31st. Therefore, it is not presented. So here also, look out, 3 checks were issued, 500, 1000 and 1500 respectively. But out of this, only check 1000 for 1000 was presented on 3rd April. That means only for the 1000, it is checks issued but not presented. Correct? Now, that moment, the 3 checks were issued, 500, 1000 and 1500. Look out, 500, 1000, 1500. 3 checks. The moment if I issued, checks issued means it is for payment. So therefore, 3 checks balance would have been deducted from my cash book. But in bank balance, only 500, 1500 has been deducted. But means still 1000 rupees, it has not deducted from the bank balance. That means bank balance is higher. Correct? In order to reach bank passbook level, so what I need to do?
Add only 1000.
Add only 1000. Therefore, this 500 and 1500 is not my matter. Only this 1000 rupees I supposed to add. Only this 1000 rupees I supposed to add. That is what this 1000. That is what this 1000. Yeah. Next, third, checks issued but not recorded in a cash book. Checks issued but not recorded in a cash book. Correct? So that means what happened, my dear friend? The moment checks has been issued. So therefore, the moment checks issued means in a cash book I supposed to reduce. Correct? But we forgot to record. So therefore, what happened? Checks we actually issued, but it was deposited to bank. That is, it was presented to bank and he got encashed. So therefore, in a bank balance, it has been reduced. Yeah, but in a bank passbook, in a cash book, it has not recorded. Therefore, what I supposed to do in order to reach to bank? We have to deduct. So therefore, this is minus. Minus. In a cash book, in order to reach passbook destination, I supposed to reduce. Next, checks deposited but credited after 31st March. So this is deposited. Deposited means the moment a check is deposited, I will increase in a cash book as a check, as an amount is collected. Correct? It is a receipt. Therefore, I will increase. But in a bank, it has been collected only after 31st March. When it is collected after 31st March. So therefore, in a bank passbook, it has not credited. That is, amount is not increased. Therefore, in a cash book, it is already increased. Therefore, in order to reach passbook level, what I supposed to do? Subtract. So therefore, minus this 250, I have to again deduct. This 250 again, I have to deduct. Next, 3 checks were deposited. So deposited means this is for collection. Correct? So 3 checks. One is 1000, 1200 and 1600 respectively. But the check for 1600 was credited on 2nd. So that means this 1000 and 1200 was collected. So therefore, in a cash book also I have recorded. In a passbook also they have recorded. Correct? But here 3 checks I have increased. That is including 1600 also. But in a bank, the 1600 was not credited because that was not yet collected. Correct? So therefore, now in a bank, since it is recorded, so in a cash book I have recorded the 1600, but in a passbook it is not yet recorded. Therefore, what I supposed to do, Aditya?
Subtract 1600 only.
Only 1600. This is only I supposed to minus 1600. This is what this 1600. Next, checks deposited into bank but not recorded in a cash book. Again, it's the same story. First was for checks issued, but now it is checks deposited. So actually, checks collected on the way we deposited in a bank itself. So in a bank it is already collected, but we forgot to record in a cash book. Therefore, in a bank it was, since it is collected, bank balance was increased. But in a cash book, since it is not recorded, it is not yet increased. Therefore, in order to reach to passbook level, what I supposed to do?
Add 1000.
I have to add. So therefore, this 1000 I supposed to add. Next, debit side of cash book was overcast by 500. Correct? So now let us have the discussion with any other students. Any other student? So can anyone join with us? Can anyone? Vishal. Yes, Vishal, you are online. Can you?
So can you hear me?
Yes, Vishal. Now, usually, cash book is which balance? Usually, cash book means which balance, Varun?
So debit balance.
Debit balance.
Debit balance.
That is a cash. Correct? That's a cash account means.
Yes.
Now let us go for, if just for a time being, visualize or imagine or forget cash book, cash column forget. Even now, if I use cash book means it denotes bank column. Correct?
Yes,
now, in a bank column, usually let us hope for the positive balance, which is a debit balance. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Now, let us hope now, debit side of the cash book was overcasted by 500. Correct? Now, debit side means which side in a cash book?
So the positive side. So now we have to just credit it.
Debit side means which side?
So the positive side. So now we have to credit it to rectify the error.
Correct. So now just I'm saying which side. Side means positive means it's a receipt side.
Oh yes, sir.
Yeah, so you have to say, that means just imagine if the debit side, if it is overcast, that means you have taken as a receipt. Just imagine debit side means it is a positive, that's a receipt side, correct? So in a bank it is not actually receipt, but since because of overcast, what happened, it is taken as a 500 as a receipt, which is mistake, correct?
Yes.
Now in a bank it has not credited, that is amount is not increased. In order to reach passbook level, what are you supposed to do?
So deducted, subtracted.
Subtract, therefore this is minus. So I hope other students are understanding. Therefore, so if you many people, if you add for conversation, point D, where you are in, Anita? Yeah, point D. So checks issued but not recorded in a cash book. So checks issued means it's a payment. Point D. Yeah, it's a payment. I have actually given the amount. So I have given the check for the payment. He has already presented in a bank and got it collected. Therefore, in a bank balance, it has been reduced. But in a cash book, I record to forget. So therefore, in a cash book, the balance is showing higher. In order to reach passbook level, I supposed to deduct. Yeah, come back to point number I. Point number I. Credit side of cash book was undercasted by 800. Correct? So credit side means which side, Varun?
So the payment side.
Payment side, correct? Now, since it is a payment side is it is undercast or overcast? Payment side is credit side of is undercast. Undercast means minus. That is undercast means not recorded. I repeat, it is a shortfall. Short payment. Undercast, that means actually imagine the story. Just imagine here. Look out, this is as of now both are same. Now actually the payment side, that's a bank, just imagine 800 rupees is a payment side because it's a credit side in a cash book, therefore it's a payment, correct? Now actually payment has been made, so therefore in a bank it has been reduced. Now cash book also it's supposed to reduce or not 800 rupees? Yes or no, Varun?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, what happened here? Out of 800, for example, just imagine 1800 rupees is a payment I have made. 1800 rupees is a payment made. So, in both the side, if 1800 is reduced, both are equal. That will not come in a BRS because both are tallied.
Mm.
Correct? Here, what happened? Just imagine. I hope you can see my hands. Now, in a bank, 1800 rupees is a payment I have deducted. I have reduced, actually reduced. But here, what happened? Instead of 1800, it was a short fail. Total mistake was done. Instead of 1800, I taken as 1000 only. So therefore, 800 is not deducted. So therefore, here, what happened? Only 1000 has been reduced, but not 1800. Got it? So payment was shortfall. So therefore, 800 was not deducted. Therefore, further it has to be deduct 800. Again, it is minus. Just imagine only overcast means I have to add back. So credit side actually it is a deduction side. Deduction side was undercast means it is a short deduction. Friends, are you understanding slowly? Aditya? Short deduction. So therefore, that 800 further we have deducted. So don't bring, sir. If it is a debit side, if it is a debit side is overcasted means you have deducted. That is accepted. Credit side is undercast means again you have to add no because it is a short. Therefore you have to add no. This doubt and all. Please don't bring. Therefore I asked you what is the purpose of debit side? What is the purpose of credit side? So purpose of debit side is receipt. If receipt side is overcast means I have booked over. That's excess income I have booked. So therefore in a bank actually it is not increased. Cash balance was not actually collected, I have reduced. Correct? But credit side is payment side. If it's a payment side is overbooked. As a excess payment paid as if it is booked, I would have reduced. But here what happened? It is undercast. That means payment what I made actually it was shortfall. So therefore that is a short book of payment. Therefore I have to reduce. Keep in mind. Next, let's go. Bank interest. Bank interest credited rupees 150 and debited for interest 50 not recorded in a cash book. Correct? So this is timing difference but errors. Timing difference but error. Keep in mind. Timing difference because it is when I come to know only on receipt of bank statement we come to know. That's why it is a timing. But these are already deducted or already credited. Therefore, transaction is already recorded, which is periodicity concept, which is related to the period. Therefore, since this was occurred and not recorded, it is error of omission. Therefore, now you are supposed to record. So now bank interest credited 150. Credited means it is increased to your account, credited to your account. Therefore, this in a cash book you have not recorded. Therefore, it has to be added. It has to be add and debited interest 50 rupees. It has to be minus deducted. Interest it is a minus 50. Next, dividend collected by bank not recorded in cash book. So dividend was collected by bank directly. So therefore, in a bank balance it has been increased, but in a cash book we have not we have not got notice about that. Therefore, we have not recorded. But when you receive the bank statement, you got to know that there is a direct credit to the bank. So therefore, in a bank it has been recorded. That means bank balance has increased, but in a cash book not recorded. Therefore, what is supposed to do, Varun?
We have to add it.
We have to add. We have to add. Next, a debtor directly deposited into bank but not recorded in a cash book. So therefore, again, it is a direct deposit to bank. In a bank, it is increased because in a destination, it is already increased. In a cash book, it is not recorded. Therefore, what I supposed to do?
So we have to add it.
Add back up once again. We have to add. Once again, we have to add. Next, yes, any other student who willing to join with us? Any other student who is willing to join with us? Except Varun and Aditya? Any other student? Yes. If so, please raise your hand so that I will unmute you. Raise your hand. Otherwise, I have to go and search this and all. If you raise your hand, I will get the pop-up so that I can easily allow you to speak. Uh, so yes, J Sneha. Sneha, can you hear me?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Yes.
Yes. Now let us have the conversation with for further few questions.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, point number M. 1,000 rupees in respect of dishonor check appeared in a passbook but not recorded in a cash book. 1,000 in respect of dishonored check appeared in the passbook but not in cash book. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now checks in dishonor. So that means here, my dear friends, look out. It is checks in respect of dishonored check appeared in the passbook. That means it is checks issued and dishonor. Make it as a issued and dishonor. Make it as issued and dishonor. Yeah. So that means checks issued. Checks not issued. It's a presented. Presented. I'm sorry. Presented. So checks presented, but dishonor actually. So the moment a check is presented to bank, usually in a cash book also we will increase. In a cash book we will increase. In a passbook, when it will increase, when it is actually amount is credited to bank account. Correct? But what happened in a passbook? So they said that this check was dishonored. So therefore, in a passbook, the balance was not increased. But actually, in a cash book, the moment we deposited to bank, actually we have increased. Correct? Therefore, what I supposed to do?
Deduct, sir.
We have to deduct. So therefore, this is minus 1,000 rupees I suppose to deduct. Deduct. Next, bank met a bill payable. Bank met a bills payable. So it is a BP. BP from the of the firm 1,500 on 30th March under an advice to the firm on 2nd April. So that means actually it is a bills payable was there that was directly made the payment by the bank. So that means in a bank account actually the amount of 1,500 was paid to bills payable, therefore it is deducted in a bank account. But here amount was deducted from the bank account. But in a cash book they don't know, so they got to know only on 2nd April. So therefore in a cash book it is not deducted. Therefore in order to reach to passbook level, what I supposed to do?
Deduct, sir.
Deduct. Again this 1,500 I supposed to deduct minus. Now, bank charges, it's a postal charges for checkbook of by Mr. Mukesh, 5 rupees, were entered in a cash book twice. Correct? So that means in a both, that is bank charges is a postal charges, we count. 5 rupees is the charges, whatever is the postal, one time deduct, that's a 5 rupee. Here also one time I supposed to deduct. Those for that it's a matching. There is no difference. But what happened in a cash book, second time also they have deducted, second time, twice. So therefore what I supposed to do in order to meet to passbook level?
Added.
I have to add back only 5. Only. So only this 5 rupees I have to add back. Add back this 5 rupee. Next, a check of 50 rupees drawn by Mukherjee had been charged to Mukesh account in error. In error. So that means it's a banker error. Actually, a check of rupees 50 drawn by Mr. Mukherjee. We are in whose book? We are in Mukesh. This is Mukesh. That is what you. Correct? But actually what happened? It was a drawn by Mukherjee. Mukherjee, which is error. It is not our account. Correct? Has been charged to Mukesh. So therefore, even though whatever be my difference, even though whatever be the difference, here it is a drawn. So therefore, what happened here? What happened? Here it is a drawn. So therefore, this 50 rupees check drawn by Mr. Mukesh had been charged to Mr. Mukesh account in error. So here charged. Correct? So charged. So therefore, it is a charged means let us take it as a payment. Payment, that is debited. Payment means debited. Got it? So actually it has to be deducted from Mukherjee's account. But by mistake, banker has deducted from our account, Mukesh. This is our account. Correct? So that means banker has deducted. Banker has deducted. So what are you supposed to do?
We have to deduct it.
We have to deduct because whether it's a right or wrong immaterial. I want to say why this difference. Yeah, here I am not reconciling. Bank statement is not reconciliation, my dear friend. Yeah, it is just a reason to explain why the difference. So therefore, I supposed to I supposed to deduct. So I supposed to deduct in a cash book. Therefore, minus, because here I have taken it as a charge to our account, means it is a deducted. So therefore, I supposed to deduct payment. Now, a check entered as a deposit in a cash book instead of payment 220. Correct? Actually, a check is, it's a payment. It's a payment means actually it's supposed to be minus. Yes or no? It's supposed to be
Yes, sir.
minus. But a check entered as a deposit. That means just here I will show you. Just here I will show you. So it is not a error of bank. So yeah, it is not a error of bank. So bank is constant. Just imagine here. Actually, it should be 220 this side. It's a payment. It's a payment. It is actually payment. But what happened instead of this side they have recorded 220. This side they have recorded 220. Correct? I hope rectification of errors chapter is over. So therefore, the first step is, in order to rectify this, because this is a mistake. Correct? In order to reverse this 220, I supposed to write. So if you write this 220, what happened? Now the balance becomes 0. Then this side another 220 I supposed to required in order to come this side 220. So therefore, I have to deduct minus 442 times I supposed to minus. So therefore, minus 440 into 2. Friends, are you understanding slowly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now this is what the discussion. So many of the questions we have discussed. So now this just we have to summarize in a BRS statement. Correct? So now that BRS statement, let us do it after the break. So take a break of 15 minutes. Assemble by 12. Let us start with discussion. Yeah. So usually, my dear friends, how it will be, sir? Usually, sir will whether it is a stop or mute. Yeah. Sneha, can you speak?
Sir?
Sneha, usually before the break, is it a mute? Is it sir was doing mute or exit?
Sir, it's just muted, sir.